Sweden, the Nordic eco-pioneer, has fitted its railways with green wings. Its railways emit over 90% less CO2 than the global average. How? 3 strategic levers: hydrogen traction, smart freight network, and policy ingenuity. Rolling stock reinvention. First, hydrogen hybrids hit the tracks. This April, German manufacturer Vogloch delivers Sweden's first DE18 hybrid locomotives, capable of running on hydrogen-generated vegetable oil, slashing emissions by 90%. Next year, these will power Scandinavia's first cross-border zero-emission freight line, Sweden to Norway. They're also developing hydro-powered trains, which can complete refueling in 20 minutes. And that's for a range up to 18 hours. Meanwhile, battery-powered trains have also been put into operation on light-load passenger routes. Second, biodiesel's Arctic endurance. Spain CF built 70 Nordic trains, operational at -40 degrees Celsius, and now serving Arctic routes on biodiesel. Full deployments next year will save 12,000 tons of diesel annually. And third, kinetic energy recapture. Cognus regenerative braking tech on the Jönköping-Oslo line serves 3 GWh yearly, enough for 800 households. Then is their early electrification edge. Sweden's national rail operator has powered trains exclusively with wind, hydro and solar since 1994, decades ahead of peers. The second lever, freight flow optimization. And firstly, hub economics. Over 70 companies like IKEA, Volvo included, share a rail terminal, enabling direct port-to-warehouse operations. This avoids 2,950 tons of CO2. This equals to taking 1,500 lorries off-roads. And we have to mention their smart sea rail synergy. Real-time digital coordination across 30 port inlet nodes prioritizes timber transport by rail, cutting wood logistics emissions by 18% last year. And we can't miss their policy catalysts. Caracteristic fiscal tools, high-emission locomotives face up to 15% annual carbon tax hikes, while electric trains buyers get 30 subsidies. And infrastructure override. Grid operators aligning tracks with charging points, having built the longest electric freight corridor by 2023 in Europe, covering 50% of Sweden. Let's have a look at their national targets: 50% emissions cuts and 30% energy reduction per passenger kilometer by 2030. The world is striving to reduce environmental pressures. From hydrogen locomotives to AI-driven freight network, decarbonization is rewriting rules with tech.